Friends, this is NA Education 12th Accountancy. We have started goodwill accounting already. 5-6 sums we have already finished. More than that, today we are going to learn about the hidden goodwill. This is hidden goodwill. What is hidden goodwill? Hidden something which is not appears, which you cannot see in front. That is hidden. It is existing but you cannot see. That is known as hidden. The things which exist but you cannot see, that is known as hidden. So definition: goodwill has not been mentioned in the balance sheet. The value of goodwill is the excess of desired total capital of the firm. Hidden goodwill required to be calculated on the basis of new partner's capital for a given share in the profit. When the new partner, it is generally calculated when the new partner should be admitted, and whatever the capital the partner is bringing, on the basis of that we are calculating the value of hidden goodwill. The value of hidden goodwill, it is generally the excess of desired capital. Now here is one sum. You first see the sum, then we'll solve. You will understand the full criteria. A and B, they are the partners with a capital 26,000 and 22,000. Means A's capital 26,000, B's capital 22,000. They have admitted C with the share 1/4 in the profit. C bring 26,000 capital. You have to pass the general entries. Before passing the general entries, first we have to calculate the value of our goodwill. So rough work we will do. Value of goodwill. Value of goodwill. How will you do? They said that C's share is 1/4. So total, how many shares are there? 4. So what we have to do? The amount of capital of C's share should have to be multiplied by 4/1. So C's capital is 26,000. Total capital of the firm on the basis of C's capital. So this is 26,000 into, just reverse, 1/4 they have given, 4/1. We'll write it like that. So how much is the amount? When will you make 0, 0, 0, 426, 4, 6 are 24, 4, 2s are 8 plus 10. 1,04,000 is the, should have to be the capital now, but actually capital how much we are getting? The capital of A, B and C's capital, existing capital of A, B and C. How much we are getting? 26,000 plus A's capital, B's capital 22,000 plus C's capital, we know it is 26,000. Total will be 74,000. You just calculate, you will get 74,000. 74,000 is our total capital, but capital should have to be 1,04,000 we are getting, and our actual capital existing is this. So difference between these two will be the amount of or the value of hidden goodwill. So hidden goodwill is the amount of the total capital on the basis of C and the total existing capital. So 104 minus 74,000. This will be, you take the difference, 30,000. Out of these 30,000, C's share in the profit is 1/4. So C's share in the goodwill, this is the amount of our goodwill. Now C's share in the goodwill, goodwill 30,000 into 1/4, you will get 7,000. This is the actual amount of our goodwill. Now when the profit sharing ratio has not been mentioned here, it means the amount of goodwill should have to be distributed equally among A and B. This is by default, always remember. If they are not mentioning any profit sharing ratio, then the anything which have to be distributed, it should have to be equally distributed among the existing partners. Now we have to pass the general entries here. This the columns are ready. Previous question we have used the remaining. So first what we will do, we will do the, because C is not bringing the capital, sorry, C is not bringing the goodwill amount, so only what is coming, the in the bank account debited 26,000, only capital is coming. To C's capital account 26,000. Now this is our first general entry. Second general entry is goodwill amount. What is called as C's capital account. How much amount C should have to pay? 7,500. So C's capital account, C's capital account 7,500. 2 A's capital account, writing short form, 3,750. You just divide it by 2, half of. B's capital account 3,700. Here you write the narration, being capital brought by the new partner. Narration I'm generally not writing, but in the rough work, being capital brought by the new partner and being goodwill amount transfer to the existing partner's account that you have to write. Thank you. Have a nice day. This is Any Education. Please like and subscribe our channel.